Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to a double unboxing. Oop, misfire there. There you go. This is my new Civivi Stratera knife that I picked up. Anyway, so this package is, well, the watches are from my buddy Art, and it came via Kevin over at Wrong Time Watch. Kevin, Art sent the watches over to Kevin first, and Kevin got a chance to review them, and then Art's instructed Kevin to send it over to me, and I totally appreciate that, Art. Anyway, here we go. So I have an idea of the two watches that. Oh yeah, this is. Let me just put this box aside here. And so this is the first time I've had any a marathon on the channel. Very interesting, very interested about getting one in here. I've never actually handled one. So like I said, it's the first time I am reviewing or going to review a marathon. Wow, look at that thing, man. That's awesome. Let me just close that up here. Nice piano, whatever they call it, piano finish, lacquered case there for the watch box. Wow, that is pretty cool. Let me get up close to that. And this is a serious dive watch, man. This has got a lot of weight to it. Let's give it a couple spins to get it alive. Working over here, okay. Very nice. Let me pull the clasp out here, and let's see if it's sized for me. It's a little loose, but that's okay. I'll size it up. Looking forward to reviewing that. Wow, that's a nice watch. Look at that. That's like a very deep chapter ring. That sapphire crystal sits really high above the dial there. Wow, that's super interesting. Nice action on the dial. On the bezel. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, so let's move that aside and get the next watch going over here. This is Seiko. Now this, I know what this is, man, and it's gonna break my heart when I see it. Yeah, this is the Sarb033. I had this watch at one point in my collection, and I've talked about, I believe I talked about it in a couple of videos, how there have been some watches that I've sold that I've regretted, but none more than this watch here, the Sarb033. Man, I'm bummed. I should have never sold it. It's such a great, like, any occasion type watch. You know, I would take it to the office. If I wanted to wear something simple, I'd throw it on, you know, no matter what the occasion or what I was wearing. And I actually liked, and I don't think Art has the bracelet, but the bracelet actually, some people complain about the bracelet. I really like the bracelet. But great watch. And even, you know, a couple months ago, I saw it on Amazon. So I guess somebody had some stock or some leftover stock in it, and they were selling it for less than $400. And I should have pulled the trigger. I don't know why I didn't pull the trigger. SR15 movement in here, and I didn't, man. And now it's like they're up over $500-600, which is crazy. But you know, the Sarb035, the white cream dial, you can find that on Amazon, snapshot in time as of today, for under $400. So I may just have to just do it. I mean, I like that watch. Well, I like this one better, but I like the Sarb035. It'll actually fit into my collection probably a little bit better, just because right now all my dials are black except for the Black Bay 58, which is the blue version, which is a navy blue. But I have all black dials in my collection now. So the Sarb035, I may just have to do it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I look forward to doing the review of and get reconnected to the Sarb033. I know there's a million reviews of them out there, but hopefully, from my perspective, maybe some of you may be able to identify. And if you have one and thinking about selling, maybe you'll rethink that. And I also look forward to reviewing that Marathon, man. I'm really fired up about that classic brand, Anyway, guys, thanks for checking in, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video.